Looks harmless, doesn't it? But this is neglect. Quiet, subtle, easy to miss. But behind the silence lies a responsibility that has quietly been abandoned. But the law, it doesn't forget. It steps in and it speaks really clearly. Welcome back to Crop Capsules Concise Awareness, where we break down the law in the simplest way, especially for our senior citizens and those who care for them. In episode 1, we spoke about the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2007, what it is and why is it needed. Now, let's turn to the heart of the act. That's chapter 2, the one that answers a big question. Who bears the duty and what is the duty? So let's answer the important question first. Who can claim maintenance? Any parent or grandparent, even if they are not yet 60, and any senior citizen above 60 with no children to depend on. If they cannot support themselves, the law gives them the right to seek help, not as a favor but as a rightful claim. Now, who must give that help? For parent and grandparent, they are adult children. For a childless senior citizen, they are relatives, but only if they hold their property or are entitled to inherit it. If more than one relative is involved, they'll share the responsibility based on their share of inheritance. So, what kind of support are we exactly talking about? Just enough for a person to live a normal, basic and dignified life. That includes food, medical care and everyday needs. So who can actually file this application? The senior citizen or parent themselves, or anyone they authorize, even an NGO or a social organization. And if needed, the tribunal can also step in on its own and take notice. Now, if you're looking to file this application, where should you file it? Surely in the maintenance tribunal in any district, either where the parent resides or the senior citizen resides, or where the child or the relative resides. Even if they're abroad, the law has a way to reach them. And what happens once this application is filed? A notice is issued, both the sides are heard. The tribunal may even send it for conciliation to try and settle things peacefully. The matter must be decided within 90 days or 120 days if there is a valid reason. Therefore, we see that this act creates a path for care backed by law. It keeps things practical, clear and accessible so that no elder is left behind due to helplessness or silence. Thank you for tuning into episode 2 of Crop Capsules Concise Awareness. Let's continue to learn, share and make the law a tool for everyday life. Let's share this reel as much as possible so that everyone knows that such a law exists and we can surely ask for help. I'm Sanika Pernikar and this is Crop Capsules Concise Awareness. As said earlier, let's make the law work for those who need it the most.